So this is what you typically see in my beauty videos, and this is what I see when I walk in every single time. You guys, I cannot believe I'm showing you this. Oh gosh. Let me just give you a little overview real quick. If my camera would focus. Do you guys see this? There's stuff everywhere. That's where I normally film, right here. And look at my vanity area. Trust me, this is not the worst it's ever been, but it's bad. You see my second desk? It's not even a desk anymore, it's just a pile of anything. There's Christmas gifts back there. There's another trash can. You see what I have to go through in order to get to this side? This is why I normally do not come on this side. This is normally what you typically see in my beauty videos. This is what I see. Just stuff everywhere. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and before we get started, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like clean with me videos. And now let's get started with the actual clean with me. I hope this intro wasn't too long. But what I tend to blame it on is the fact that I don't have organization. Like, I don't have specific places for specific things. To tell you that the closet is much more organized than it is out here. As you can see back there, I still have stuff from fall that I haven't put away. My beauty room literally took the back burner when it came to the cleanup of the house. Everywhere else we cleaned up at least weekly. Majority of it is not trash, it's just haven't put them away. And obviously George helps me with filming sometimes, and he's like, do you want me to help you clean up your room? And I'm like, no, because I'm planning this one video and I don't want to clean it up before making this video. I just want to have the before and after. But he's like, I feel bad that you have to work in those conditions. I'm like, it's fine, I'm fine. It does get stressful sometimes though, because one, I can't find things, and two, it's just, it adds on to the stress of filming sometimes. But I got through it through the holidays and Vlogmas and stuff. Okay, you guys, so it's a few days later. I have been working on this beauty room project for over the last 3-4 days, I believe. I mean, I will spend an hour or 30 minutes a day, but on Sunday I didn't work on it at all. Today is January 1st, by the way, so I just finished vacuuming and now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You remember the before, right? Look at this. I mean, that's a huge improvement, especially the walkway. There is absolutely nothing on the floor. Keep in mind that I didn't focus on decorating. All I wanted to do was clean up the floor, declutter my workstations, such as my filming station and my background, to work on it a little bit so it could be more stable, and my desk. Okay, we're gonna start at the desk, you guys. This looks so good. I mean, there's more things on here than there should be right now, so that just makes me want to work at this desk. And prior to this, I wanted nothing to do with this desk, because as you saw, it was full of clutter, full of things that didn't belong, and now it's nice and spacious and clean, and I got a few new goodies for my desk. Moving on to my filming station, and here is what my workstation looks like right now. I just finished cleaning all my brushes, so that's why there's no brushes on here. I obviously organized it a little bit better, and here I have just a little stack of things that I want to work on with next. Here I have my everyday products, everything I used every single day. I need to update this right here. I don't know when I'm gonna work with the Norvina palette, but I don't think it's anytime soon. And then back here is just my background for my videos, and I love it. And this is just a bunch of Sephora Play samples that obviously I never got to play with. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I might just let my sisters go through it. This room is ready to be worked at, and I love it. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. That way I know that you like these type of videos. I will gladly make more for you guys.